Hey guys, Paul here, the Impulsive Culinarian, and in this video I want to tell you all about my gluten-free zucchini and potato fritters recipe. So the timeliness of this video is important because it's coming out just before New Year's and everybody needs a really great zucchini and potato fritters recipe to serve at that New Year's brunch buffet. You know the one I'm talking about. Lots of hangovers and you want that comfort food, a little bit, fried going on there. So this is the stuff alongside with all the bacon and the sausages that you guys are probably enjoying at that time of the day. So this is a great accompaniment to that kind of a menu. And the thing that makes it gluten-free, of course, we're using potatoes and zucchinis, not much going on there. The binder, you'll see that the flours that I've picked and the starches, of course, all gluten-free, done a la Impulsive Culinarian. And guys, it doesn't get simpler than this. Get it going in a little bit of coconut oil and you'll be happy that you saw the video. Let's get started. All right, let's make some delicious potato fritters, starting with 1.5 pounds of good Canadian potatoes, preferably from PEI, 1 zucchini, which you're going to coarsely grate, and 1 egg, preferably organic, 2 tablespoons of corn flour and 1 tablespoon of tapioca flour, and then 1/2 tablespoon of kosher salt with some freshly ground black pepper, and 1/4 cup of coconut oil to fry them in. So it's best to wait to grate your potatoes until you're just ready to start cooking. If you do it in advance, they usually start to get a little gray or brownish in color and they don't look as appealing when you serve them. So you get those potatoes peeled and grated using the coarse side of your box grater. Then you can add all the ingredients except the coconut oil, of course. So you add in your zucchini and your flour mix and your egg, and then your seasonings, your salt and your pepper, and you mix those up with a big sturdy spoon. And again, the salt is also something that you want to really wait until the last minute, just until you're ready to cook, because if you do this in advance, you're going to find that it sweats the potatoes and they get kind of liquidy. So get a good non-stick frying pan over medium-high heat. Get your coconut oil in there, and when it really just starts to smoke, then you know that it's ready to go. So then you can take big dollops, usually 3 or 4 at a time, depending on the size of your pan. Get that into the skillet, and then you want to fry them rather on each side for around 2 to 3 minutes. So again, everything depends on the heat of your oven and the kind of pan that you've got, but I find that at medium-high heat for 2.5 minutes, it does the trick. So once they're cooked on both sides, they're going to be just perfect. You get a plate lined with some paper towel so that you can drain them and get those out. Rinse and repeat until you are out of mixture. And when you're done, guys, you got a full plate of beautiful New Year's hangover brunch food. Love this stuff. Thanks for checking out this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. There's lots of great content coming out every single week, all throughout the next year as well. 3 videos every single week, in fact. 1 focused on allergen-friendly cooking, gluten-free, dairy-free, like you're watching right now. A second one focused on international cuisine. We're traveling the world virtually from the comfort of the IC kitchen. And a 3rd video based on a healthy recipe, because, guys, we should all be living our best lifestyle possible. My name's Paul, the Impulsive Culinarian. I will catch you in the next video.